Hi everyone, I am Narinder Singh, the Managing Director of Enhanced Waste Recycle Private Limited Company. We developed the technology which is able to transform any kind of municipal solid waste that is dumped at dump site, and after remediation there is RDF. Other technologies are available, but the problem is they are only have to solution provide that they can hide something and transform solid waste, legacy waste to other places. After remediation, there is lot of material that are separated in different qualities, different categories like RDF, inert, good soil, and other things also. But the problem is they can shift it, but not able to dispose 100%. If there is a lot of moisture, other technology like pyrolysis, gasification, incineration are not able to handle this. But in enhanced waste recycle private technology, it takes 20 years of hard work, lot of person, lot of engineering, lot of you can say experiment we done and create the technology which is able to transform legacy waste, hardest waste that is not transferred into energy. Come with me. Now I am taking the in charge of this material is after remediation and completely RDF. There is lot of moisture we mixed in it, and we convert all this material into usable system. Now I am going to show you how this process goes. First of all, the all material is shredded in this machine. This machine is also converted by us. After that, this material is transformed into chips that are maximum 15 to 10 mm size, and after that the material is transferred into our hopper, and from that when the material is shifted into our hopper line, it goes automatically. From this, there is no any speaker. You can see the machine is completely silent and pollution free. Please show all the atmosphere. There is no any kind of smoke, pollution, flame outside the reactor, and this is the only first technology which is not required any kind of chimney, because there is no burning, completely transforming the energy from one source to another source. Come with me and give it to me once again. First of all, the material is shifted in that hopper. You can see the material is going inside our machine. This is only a mixture, and from that the back side you can see closed chamber reactor, and this unit is collecting carbon from the unit. There is panel. Our head Mr. Maninder Singh and Mr. Amit Kumar ji are checking all these things by self. This is the reactor design. It is completely pollution free and smoke free technology. This technology is designed for unlimited production of energy, no barrier for the feedstock. Other technologies are able to transform only segregated material, but through this technology we can transform any kind of material like organic waste, synthetic organic, clothes, plastic, rubber, paper. This is very easy. So with our technology, when the first material that we get extract during this material is carbon. This carbon is completely converted into, this is the waste that everyone is thinking that there is no option to transform in. But through our technology we convert into carbon powder, and with pressure we can convert into liquids, and from that we can generate electricity and power, hammer energy, heating, boiler, everywhere we could use. Now we do that. The whole system is this. This system is converting waste into source of energy. Everything is designed in our house. And from this waste directly convert into gas. This gas is smokeless, and now through this technology, let me complete my holding partner. Lot of technologies are available. Challenge, you have to come here. There is lot of technologies which are trying to solve this problem, but the problem is they are solving one material problem. But through enhanced technology, we are able to convert this massive problem into a source of energy, into source of wealth, into source of health. With the one project, we can convert this project into multi-level, and this technology is available for all the world, everywhere, anywhere. If there is a big problem of municipal solid waste, we can provide the solution, and together we can make our world, our earth healthy, wealthy, prosperous, peace for everyone. Thank you.